Hello everyone, today in this video I want to show you how to solve this problem for the values of c. If you have c to the power of c is equals to 2 to the power of 2048. So here we need to solve this problem for the values of c, and I hope so you like this method. But if you have any other method in your mind, please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So here first you focus in the left hand side and you see here the base and exponents are same. Here our target is to make the base and exponent in the right hand side is also same. So for this, in order to make the base and exponents are same in the right hand side, we need to work with the exponent. So here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem, so we will show all of the working on this paper. So first you have c to the power of c is equals to, you have this is 2 to the power of 2048. So we write this 2048 as 2 multiplied by 1024. And after that we apply here this exponent law. If you have a to the power of m multiplied by n, we write it as a to the power of m to the power of n. So according to this exponent law, here we need to move this 2 inside the term, and it will be written as 2 square and its whole exponent is 1024. So further in the next step, you see here this 2 squared is equals to 4 and its exponent is 1024. So further in the next step, we need to focus more on the exponent term. So again we have the exponent is 1024. So again we break its exponent in this form. So we write 1024 as 2 multiplied by 512. We know that 2 times of 512 is equals to 1024, and here we again apply this exponent law. So again, according to the above exponent law, we move this 2 inside the term and it will be written as 4 square and its whole exponent is 512. So further in the next step, you see here this 4 square equals to 16 and its whole exponent is 512. And now we again focus in the exponent of this term. So here you remember one thing is that we repeat this process again and again until we obtain our desired result, and our desired result is that we need to make the base and exponent of this term are same. So for this we need to repeat this process again and again. So here we have this is 512. We again break this 512 as 2 multiplied by 256. We know that 256 times 2 equals to 512. And now we again apply the above exponent law. So again, according to the above exponent law, we move this 2 inside the term and it will be written as 16 square and its exponent is 256. So now here we need to find the square of 16. So in order to find the square of 16, we just write these terms as in this form. So because here calculator is not allowed in this problem, so here some students cannot do this square directly. So for those students we can just do these steps. So 16 square means that we multiply 16 with 16 and we break this 16 as we write this 16 as 10 plus 6. So here we multiply this 16 with these two numbers and it will be written as 16 multiplied by 10 plus 16 multiplied by 6. Here you know that 16 times of 10 equals to 160, and this is 16 times of this 6 is equals to 6. 6 are 36. We write 6 and carry 3. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 3 becomes 9. So in the next step we have this is 0 plus 6 becomes 6 and 6 plus 9 becomes 15. We write 5 and carry 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. It means that 16 square is equals to 256. So now here we again move backward, and here you have, this is c to the power of c is equals to 16 square, and its whole exponent is 256. So now we replace this 16 square equals to this value, it is also 256. So we put this value here, and this equation is implies that here we have c to the power of c is equals to 256 to the power of 256. So now you see here, here we apply this this nice rule. If you have a to the power of a equals to b to the power of b, so this implies that a is equals to b. So according to this nice rule, we compare its basis or its exponent. So if you compare both of these, then you get here same answer, and that is c is equals to 256. So this is the our final answer of this problem. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.